Okay, lawn painters, you ready? So, coming to you on July the 3rd. Front yard, tomorrow is supposed to be my Super Bowl of lawn days, and unfortunately, it is not gonna make it this year. I peaked about 2 weeks, 3 weeks too early this year. And so this is not gonna be the peak look of my lawn on the July the 4th, and I'm a little bit disappointed in that. What happened? Well, I went on vacation. And while I was on vacation, the lawn grew an enormous amount. I even had a guy come over here and cut with his time master. He cut the lawn a couple times while I was gone, but it still became overgrown. It was used to being cut every day or every other day. So what happened is the grass grew tall. I came back home and I thought I was gonna drop the height of cut back down and maintain it at that. I knew better, I just wasn't thinking. So I came back home, I scalped it down, and I tried to maintain it at 7/8, and it left brown spots in the yard, meaning that there was a lot of stalky, woody and stalky things in the yard. And I'll give you for instance, like right here, that was not able to recover enough because all it was stalk. What did I need to do? I needed to let the grass grow up, such as it's doing here now. And once it grew up, change the height of cut, probably up to 1 inch, because we were in a drought and still are in a drought. And the lawn was drying out no matter how much water I put on it. We weren't getting that water from Mother Nature, and it just needs a higher canopy on it. I tried to lower the canopy too quick and too much. Just got that stalky brown haze across the entire yard. My neighbor is actually dominating me right now. He's got his at probably 2 inches, if not more. He hasn't cut it in a few days, but it looks very, very good. I made a rookie mistake, and I'm paying for it. So, what am I gonna do? Well, today I'm out here. I'm putting my American flag in for July the 4th, and by that, I'm gonna be cutting a flag into the lawn. I'll have some stars down here by the flags, and then there'll be wavy lines going up through there. After I've done this cut, and I will spray it today with some iron, but when I'm done with that, I'm gonna let the grass grow without cutting it for a few days. I'm gonna change the height of cut up to 1 inch, and I'm gonna come in and cut it. The green will come back. I will be pleased again, but I'm upset with myself because I made that rookie mistake of thinking I could just cut it down to the level I wanted it at and maintain it, and you can't do that. You have to go 1 notch below what you want your lawn to be and then let it grow up to the maintenance height. My mistake, lesson learned, it's grass, it'll grow back. I'm just not gonna hit today. Went in and told my wife, she looked at me, she said, "Brian, really? Is it that big of a deal?" But I pick every day, I work my calendar around everything I do in the spring for tomorrow, July the 4th. So it is disappointing to a guy that this is their hobby, this is their thing they do. So I'll get over it, I'll learn from this mistake, and we will have a better 4th of July next year. But today I'm excited to get the American flag cut into this lawn to celebrate the Independence Day. This whole weekend I have been, especially today and tomorrow, with my family. And I'm working over at the father-in-law's house, trying to make his lawn as green as possible. He's having some drought issues. We put out some really good stuff on his lawn yesterday that hopefully is gonna green it up pretty good. So that's what we got going on. Lesson is, if you want to get it a maintenance height, you have to cut it a notch below. Then it's going to have a nasty look for a week or two. It's going to grow back to the maintenance height that you want, and it's going to look nice. That's it. Bermuda Brian, out.